for staying with Weekend Prime. Our editor and Swahili anchor, Zubeida Kananu, has been elected as the president of the Kenya Editors Guild. Now, Zubeida takes over from Churchill Otieno after she emerged winner in elections conducted in a Nairobi hotel today. The position of vice president was won by Ruth Nesoba of British Broadcasting Corporation. Several other editors were elected to serve as council members. They are Francis Muredi, Linda Bach, Millicent Awor, Topiesta Nabusoba, and Professor George Nyabuga. Veteran journalist Arthur Okwemba and Martin Masai will serve as trustees.
This maandamano ambayo yalipita, how many of us have taken it up in our newsrooms? Yesterday was International Health and Safety Day. How many of us had an event, even in our organizations, on that? Standard Group, yeah? Thank you. So we hope to do the same in all our organizations. Ndio tuhakikishe kwamba tunafanya vitu kwa ground. You know, we are taking care of our journalists from the ground. You know, unajua kama KEG ndio tutakuja kusupport, but we want us to take care of the welfare of our journalists kutoka our specific institutions. There is another conversation that we've had the whole of this week on editorial independence. Ni wangapi watu wamewahi kujua na wadosi mkaambia hii story imelipiwa ama hii event imelipiwa, you know? So there is that conversation that we need to take forward and tuangalie how to strike a balance, you know? Yes, tunahitaji pesa, but also how do we do that in a manner that doesn't compromise editorial independence, yeah?
Congratulations to Zubeida and the entire team. Now, police were forced